Hi, I'm Rajan Arellano from Group 6. Now I'm gonna share to you how it important chemistry in our daily life. Okay, chemistry is important in our daily life because everything is made of chemicals. Even our body is full of chemicals. And everything we see, we touch, we feel, and even what I'm doing now is connected to chemistry. Many of changes around the world is cause of chemical reaction. Example of this is cooking food, getting yourself clean, and changing colors, changing the weather of our planet, and so that important of chemistry is wherever you are around the world, chemistry is there.
So, hi everyone. This is the assigned topic that I have, which is chemistry is important to our course. It is because everything you do is chemistry. Even your body is made of chemicals. Chemical reactions occur when you breathe, eat, or just sit there breathing. All matter is made of chemicals as well as medications. So, the importance of chemistry is that it's the study of everything. And also, it is a fundamental to our world. Chemistry plays a role in everyone's lives and touches almost every aspect of our existence in some way. Chemistry is essential for meeting our basic needs of food, clothing, shelter, health, energy, and clean air, water, and soil. And that would be all. Thank you.
Body. I can relate the chemistry to my course because it helps to um, to identify chemicals in that scene. In crime scene investigation, the chemical reaction is useful in this case because it uses to identify, um, test, and analyze a wide range materials or evidence on the case.
One of my best understanding about chemistry is all about chemical reaction because I know our body is full of chemicals. For me, learn about chemical reaction, I know everything you use in our daily life as full of chemicals. We need to balance it if we are going to use it, especially in food we eat every day. And because of this topic, I learned about we need to be critical all things everyday uses. And because if you mistake this how to use is very dangerous in our health and our life.
From the unit of chemistry, I've learned many things from different types of elements in the chart all the way to how each element impacts the daily life each student, even adult lives in. Some of the things I as a student have learned include how to draw the different elements in a Bohr-Rutherford diagram, balancing chemical equation, type of chemical reaction, and even information about the different types of different bases. I started with a basic understanding of what we're learning, but as the year progressed, I soon began to go on the ideas that we've learned in deep. Through doing labs, I was able to realize the connection and the application from the chemistry to everyday life.